The last thing I'm going to teach you how to do is to use your calculator when you can't factor. Let's say that we have this equation, 3x squared equals 2x plus 7. Well, the first step is setting it equal to 0. Okay, so we just subtract the 2x, subtract the 7, so we have negative 2x and a negative 7. Next step, get your calculator. When you turn your calculator on, you're going to go to y equals, and you're going to clear out anything you see. Make sure if you have any plots highlighted, like I have plot 1 highlighted, make sure you go up, you hit enter, and you unhighlight it. Type in the equation after you set it equal to 0. So 3x squared minus 2x minus 7. The next thing you're going to do is I like to hit zoom and then go down to number 6. It's going to get you a nice picture. You should see that this parabola crosses here and it crosses here at the x-axis. Since we set it equal to 0, we're looking at these two spots where it crossed the x-axis because that's where y is 0. Okay, you're going to hit second and calculate. You're going to find the option of 0. Notice how it says left bound. Well, go to the left of the first intersection. See the intersection right here? I went to the left of it. Just kind of hit the left button until you're over here somewhere. Hit enter. Now it wants you to go to the right. So hit the right button. See how I went past it and I went to the right? Hit enter. It asks you to take a guess. Hit enter again. So the first 0 is when x is negative 1.23. And if you look at the answer key here, you should have this. You will see x is negative right here, 1.23. Now all we did is we found this one. We got to find the other one now. Get your calculator. We're going to go through the same steps. You're going to do second trace. You're going to go to number 2. But this time when we're going to search over here. So we need to find this spot and we need to go to the left of it. So I'm like on the spot right now. So I'm going to hit the left button. Hit enter. Now go to the spot and go to the right of it. Hit enter. Go down so you take a nice guess and hit enter. And you can see the other 0 is 1.8968053 yada yada yada. That's exactly what the paper says. A lot of students get mixed up. They think that left is always below and right is always above. That's not the case. It all depends on which one you're at. For example, the one I'm pointing at, the left is over here. The right is down here. So don't get confused with left being below or above. Make sure you actually just think, well, left is to the left, right is to the right when you do your calculator.